Hey everyone! The drill through feature in Power BI is like a deep dive button. It lets your users jump from a summarized chart like total sales by region to a detailed page that shows only the data for that specific selection. Step 1. Create your destination page. Before you can drill through to something, you need to build the target page. Create a new page in your report and name it something descriptive, like Product Details or Manager View. Build the detailed visuals you want to see here, like a table of transactions or a specific KPI card. Step 2. Define the drill-through field. This tells Power BI which data point should trigger the navigation. In the Visualizations pane, scroll down to the Drill-Through section. Drag the field you want to filter by, like product name or region, into the box that says Add Drill-Through Fields here. A back button will automatically appear on the top left of the page so users can easily return to the summary. Step 3. Test the navigation. Now that the destination is ready, you can use it from any chart on your other pages that uses that same field. Go to your summary page, right-click on a specific data point in a chart, like a bar for electronics, hover over Drill Through, and select the name of the destination page you just created. In Power BI Desktop, you'll need to control-click the back button to return. In the web service, a regular click works. Step 4. Make it obvious, the 2026 UX upgrade. Users often don't know they can right-click, so it's best to give them a clear signal. Go to the Insert tab, select Buttons, and choose Drill Through. In the button's action settings, set the type to Drill Through and select your destination page. The button will remain disabled or grayed out until the user clicks a specific item in your chart, making the next step perfectly clear. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.